Hello students, welcome to all of you. Myself Mukul Barwant, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Sanjeevani Arts Commerce Science College, Kopargaon, Ahmednagar, Maharashtra, India. I am going to teach you the subject Environment Science and Ecology of MSc Environment Science according to pattern 2050 in semester first, code S27011. Okay, that are the details of a subject. Let's see the subject definition or the meaning of a subject. Environment science and ecology. Environment and ecology are the two different things. Environment, it is nothing but any organism live in a specific environment. Some organism live in a desert condition. For the desert animal that having the that specific environment, like human living in a some special society, and that society, that is the environment of that human. Fish live in an aquatic condition. For that fish, that is the environment of water. Okay, I hope you stand environmental science and the environment. Let's see ecology. Ecology, it is nothing but a study of interaction between the biotic factor and the abiotic factor. Biotic, that means for example, one organism interact with the environment and they produce some adaptation or the changes, that is known as a ecology. Simply ecology, it is nothing but the interaction between biotic and the abiotic factors, that is known as ecology. Simply environment science and ecology, two different things. Environment science, it is a broader concept which accompanies the different elements of a life science present on the earth. That may be climate, that may be earth, that may be that may be plants, animals, everything's present in that earth. That is a environment science. It is a broader concept. And ecology, it is a very shorter, that only consider the interaction between biotic and the abiotic interaction. In this today's lecture, we are going to see the discussion of a syllabus. This environment science and ecology are accompanied by the 4 credit, and the each credit are accompanied for the each unit. Unit first accompanies for the 1 credit, unit second accompanies for the 1 credit, unit third accompanies for the 1 credit, unit 4 accompanies by the 1 credit. In sense, you have to in this course accompanies for the 4 credit according to the each unit. Let's see the syllabus. In that 4 unit, each having the 1 2 like chapters. Let's see, in unit first there are the 3 chapters. The first chapter, that is a background and scope of environment science. Let's see first point of this chapter, definition of environment science, principle, nature, background and the scope of environment science. Next point, introduction of environment science as a multidisciplinary subject, its scope and necessity. Undemanding environment and measurement, science, pseudoscience, environmental science and technology, environmental science, media and people decision making and application of environment science. General account of biosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrospheres and the limits of biospheres. That are the 3 points of this chapter. In that first point, we are going to see the definition, principle, nature and the scope of environment science. I have explained the definition, what is the environment science. Then introduction of environment science as a multidisciplinary subject. Environment science, it is a multidisciplinary subject. How I going to tell in a later when we are discussing the first chapter. Let's see, is considered multidisciplinary. Environment as used as a multi branches. For example, it can be applicable for the geography, it can be applicable for zoology, it can be applicable for botany or the anything. Multidisciplinary science, that is the core branch that can be used is the multi branches. Then undemanding environment does not demand to production of their sources. For example, sunlight production or the soil production, they does not demand from the human, give us, then I will produce that. Undemanding branch. Pseudoscience, environmental science and technology. In this environment science and technology, how are working, that are going to see in this point. Environment science, media and people decision making and application of environment science. Media, that means how that media are the awareness about the environment science, we are going to see in that point. Next, decision making, human decision making, human which type of decision making according to environment science, like a chipko movement, that is a human decision to secure that forest or that plant tree. Then application of a environment science, then general account general account of a biosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere. Let's see biosphere. Bio, that means living, and sphere means in that sphere or in that circular organization there are the living community are present, that is known as the biospheres. Lithosphere, it is nothing but the crust, rock or the mantle, in that some community are the present, that is known as the lithospheres. Hydrosphere, that means some living organism or organization are present in waters. That are the points we are going to see in that first chapter. Second chapter, level of organization in nature. In nature are different organizations are present. For example, grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem. Level of organization, that means for example, on a land there are the specific organization. For example, some grasses are present that eat by the grasshopper eat by the birds, and the birds eat by the another carnivore animal. Such organization are different forms are present, that organization is known as a ecosystem. There are different ecosystems such as the grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem, that are also known as the pond ecosystem. Okay, in this point we are going to the structure and the function of ecosystem. Principle of algorithm of a environmental relationship. Principle of a algorithm. In that ecosystem, how relation are the maintained? Environment relation with their organism. We are going to see in this. Then ecological amplitude, limits and tolerance to the stresses, concept of a habitat, ecological succession, type of a ecosystem. In this we are going to see the ecological amplitude. What is ecological amplitude? Then limits and tolerance, stresses, concept of habitat, ecological succession, types of a ecosystem. Ecological energy flow, ecological food chain, shape models, detritus food chain, food web. That are the concept we are going to see in this chapter. Then productivity and ecological efficiency. Productivity is that any ecosystem that production, how that are production and how energy are the save or the efficiently used, that we are going to see in this point. Number 3 chapter in unit first, chapter number 3, global and national environmental issue. Global and national, at international level or the national level, environment have some issue like climate change, ozone depletion, greenhouse effect, acid rain, sea level rise, deforestation, biodiversity loss, desertification, dyers. That are the some global and the national issue in the environment. Human impact on environment and its consequence: hunting, gathering, agriculture society, industrial society, impact on culture change on environment, population explosion, degradation of natural resource, pollution of air, water and soil, urbanization, industrialization, food security, public health, allergy classes, Bock chemical cycles, carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, and the Solapur inventory, important element, human interface in a cyclic processes. That are the global and the national issue about the environment. That means that is more important issue like acid rain, then greenhouse effect, sea level increasing, ozone depletion, deforestation. That are the global as a national issue for the environment. If that are the increases, the entire life get spoiled. Then national as well as a state issue, which are that hunting and the gathering, hunting and the gathering for the agriculture society, industrialization, urbanization, pollution, air, water and the soil. Then food security, due to the less area for the human growth and development, human can enter in the forest, and they have a need from the forest food. Then public health, if the urbanization area there are the public health problem, it is a more to see. In such condition, human can be enter into village life or the enter into the village or the forest, due to which forest will be destroyed. Then Bock chemical cycle, that is a nitrogen, carbon and the phosphorus cycles. That is also one most issue. If that cycle is reduced, plant do not develop well. Then Solapur inventory important elements. Human interferes in a cyclic process. That are the some global and the national issue about the environment. Let's see unit 2. In that first chapter, definition of ecology and subdivision. What is ecology? I have explained. Ecology, it is nothing but the study of interaction of biotic and abiotic factors. Then ecology relations with the other sciences replaces to the civilization level, organization hierarchy, cake and other ecological models. Then population ecology, structure of population, characterization, process, population pyramids, J and A shape growth curves and limits. That are the concept related to the ecology. Then community ecology. Let's see, the first there are the human. After human, human form the community. Human forms the population. Population forms the community. Community forms the biospheres. Community forms the village. Village forms the city. City forms the state. State forms the country, and country forms to the world, and world forms to the biomes. After biomes, that are live in a biospheres. Community ecology, organism to organism relationship, population dynamics. That are going to see the community ecology. In a credit number 3, the first chapter, that is a biomes. Biomes, it is nothing but the larger community are present in that area. That is known as the biomes. Types of biomes, climatic factors, including for the biomes, biotic element, concept of a carrying capacity, the concept of sustainability, carrying capacity, tragedy of a canyon human population, and the food, water, energy, security, present status of environment, root JEP scenario. That are the concept we are going to see in chapter number 3. That are the biomes. Then chapter number 2 in a unit 3rd, that is the nature and origin of environmental ethics. Environmental ethics, historical and the present prospective status of environment, nature and the origin of environmental ethics, ecological consequence, western and the eastern views, philosophy, environment community and equity of natural justice, integrating the ethical values and knowledge, self-centered development and environment. That are the chapter number 2 about the nature, origin and environmental ethics. Ethics, that means when we are studying the environment, that value of environment do not loss. Such condition is known as ethics. In this chapter we are going to see about the nature, origin and the ethics. Then unit 4, in that first, community dynamics, ecological succession, defamation, ecological succession, causes of a succession, trends of succession, basic types of a succession, general process of succession, hydrosphere, xerosphere, succession, ecosystem development, climax concept of a succession and biomes. That are we going to see the community dynamics. In that, ecological succession. After ecological succession, the different causes for the ecological succession, different types of different forms of a succession, hydrosphere, xerosphere. Then ecosystem ecology, definition of ecosystem, structure and the function of ecosystem, functional aspect of ecosystem, ecological energy flow or ecological energetics, energy how in a ecosystem flow, pond ecosystem, ocean ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem and the cropland ecosystem. We are going to see in a chapter number 2 of a unit 4. This is about the overall syllabus of environment science and ecology. There are the four unit for the 4 credits. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts related to the concept, please comment below the section. Thank you.